Hello everyone. The first medical condition we'll discuss is diabetes, which is also the most common nowadays. Make sure during your case history examination to mandatorily ask the patient if they are suffering from diabetes, which is also known as sugar. Let's see what happens if the patient is suffering from diabetes. Patients suffering from diabetes have a higher risk of infections, advanced bone resorption, and impaired wound healing. One commonly neglected point is to ask what medication is the patient taking for diabetes. Make sure to ask if the patient is on oral hypoglycemic drugs or on insulin. If on insulin, do not lower the units and also ask when were the levels checked last time. Now let's see what tests are recommended for diabetic patients. If the patient is undergoing routine dental treatment like scaling, restorations, complete dentures or removable partial dentures, only routine fasting blood sugar, that is FBS, and postprandial sugar, that is PPS levels should be checked. But if the patient is undergoing surgical intervention like extraction, implants, periodontal surgeries, etc., then it is mandatory to check HbA1c levels, which should not be more than 7. Also, a physician's consent is a must. Do not neglect this. And if you want to avoid complications while treating diabetic patients, check the caption for 2 essential clinical tips you can't afford to miss. Thank you.